Hi, my dears, all of you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night also. I would like to interact with you on a two words. One is reduce the syllabus. Second one is how to remember the formulas or compare the formulas. These are very important words. 2 or 3 lessons combining and learn one single lesson. It is gives a reduce the syllabus. It is very important who are preparing IIT NEET. Those students preparing IIT NEET, they must by heart lot of formulas. This lot of formulas how to remembering easily. These are very important. Today we combine two chapters. One is gravitation. Its gravitation belongs to first year. And second chapter is electrostatic. The electrostatics belongs to the second year chapter, whatever may be. Both are different years chapters, but these two chapters have a same formulas. For example, gravitational force F is equal capital G m1 m2 by r square. G means gravitational constant, F force of gravitation, m1 and m2 mass of the bodies. In the same way, Coulomb's law, F is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. F is force, q1 and q2 charges, r is distance between two charges. Look here, both formulas look like a same. We can write this Coulomb's law. We can write F is equal k q1 q2 by r square. Here G replaced with k, right? m1 m2 replaced with q1 q2. It is a easy to remembering, right? These are like a same formulas. If you know this one, you can remember this formula also. Otherwise, if you know this formula, you can remember this is also, right? Again, gravitational field intensity. Gravitational field intensity I is equal to gm by r square, right? At the same way, electric field intensity E is equal to k q by r square. Here both are constants. G is constant and k is constant, right? M replaced with q by r square. This is also r square. It is easy to remember. If you know this formula, you can remember this formula also. Again, gravitational potential. Gravitational potential formula V is equal minus G m by r. The same way, electric field, electric potential V is equal to minus k q by r. These are also same type of formulas. Potential, this is also potential, right? Both are same type of formulas. Force F is equal G into m1 m2 by r square in a gravitation. Same way, electrostatics F is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square, right? Electric field in electrostatics K E is equal to K Q by R square, I is equal to Gm by R square. Gravitational potential V is equal to minus Gm by R. Electric potential V is equal to minus KQ by R. These are two similar formulas, right? We are going to another formulas. In the same way, gravitational and electrostatics. For a spherical shell, it is a spherical shell. Again, electrostatics. Electrostatics, both are two is there. One is conductor and non-conductor. If a conductor, spherical shell. If a non-conductor, spherical shell or solid sphere, right? Comparing these formulas also we can see. Spherical, for a spherical shell, case 1, small r less than capital R. Here I write this is a spherical shell. It is a spherical shell. It is center point. Distance to the radius capital R. Outside point like a small r. Right? These are inner and outer. Right? Okay. Here case 1, inside the sphere, inside the point. Okay. Now radius R. This is in this we take in inside the smaller, right? Here intensity and potential. Intensity of the spherical cell is equal to 0. Intensity of spherical cell is equal to 0. 0. As same way, potential is equal to V I. I means inside minus Gm by R, right? I'm going to second case. R is equal to capital R, small r is equal to capital R. It is a spherical cell. Small r is equal to capital R, nothing but on the surface. On the surface. Here intensity is equal to Gm by R square. Potential minus Gm by small r. Third case. This outside the cell. It is for example cell. We take in outside point. This is small r. This is capital R. Right? Then formulas. Intensity capital G M by R square. Outside. Outside potential VO. Outside potential is equal to minus G M by R. Minus Gm by R. Same way, we can see here intensity graph, here potential graph. Look here, intensity graph starting from R is equal capital R, small r is equal capital R. Why? Because inside the spherical cell intensity, it is inside. Inside the spherical cell intensity is equal to 0. And surface is equal to maximum. Again increase the potential, increase the distance, the intensity is equal decreases. Intensity is equal decreases. Here potential, inside the potential negative maximum and up to surface area. Again outside the potential, if radius is increasing, outside the potential is decreasing. The same way electrostatics also same like formulas. For example, inside in gravitation, inside the intensity is equal to 0. Here also spherical cell, conducting and non-conducting. Electrostatics, conducting and non-conducting. Spherical cell, conducting spherical cell, non-conducting spherical cell or solid sphere. Here intensity is equal to 0. electric field intensity also 0, right? Why? Because here conducting spherical cell, because charge come to the sphere outer surface. For example, it is a conducting spherical cell. Here charge is there. The charge form the surface of the spherical cell, because inside electric field is equal to 0. Inside electric field is equal to 0. Here also electric field 0 is same reason. Here electric field is equal to 0, case 1, right? Electric field 0. Here potential is equal to minus Gm by R. Same way here potential is equal to Kq by R. G replaced with K, M replaced with Q, right? And here second case, nothing but on the surface Gm by R intensity. Here also, sorry, Gm by R square, E on Kq by R square, potential minus Gm by R. Here also potential Kq by R. Same case third also, both are same. Again spherical conductor, sorry, non-conductor. Here electric field, it is a non-conducting material, because inside the electric field is not equal to 0. Why? Because it is a non-conducting spherical cell, because here electric charge is uniformly have, because it's not move on the surface. Inside have a electric field, because here inside the solid sphere Kq by R cube, potential Kq by R, here also potential Kq by R, here also potential Kq Gm by R, gravitation or electrostatics, right? Electric field on the surface Kq by R square, Kq by R square. In this every case potential is equal, and electric field inside the gravitational is equal to 0. Conducting material electric field is 0, and spherical cell electric field is Kq by R cube. Remaining all are same, all are same. Only change inside the non-conducting material Kq by R cube. In this every time all are equal formulas. All are equal formulas. It is easy to remember, right? Gravitation, uniform solid sphere, case 1, inside gravitation, uniform solid sphere, internal point, nothing but it is solid sphere, internal point. It is capital R, inside small r, right? Internal point, case 1, I is equal Gm small r by capital R cube. Potential is equal to minus Gm by 2r cube into 3r square minus r square. If you simplify, V is equal 3Gm by 2r, right? It is equal to 3 by 2 surface potential. This is first case inside, 3 by 2 equal surface potential, and surface on the surface. This is also same. I is equal to gm by r square, v is equal to minus gm by r square. Case second, outside the point, I is equal to gm by r square, vs is equal to minus gm by r square. It is a small change, right? Gravitational intensity and potential on the axis of uniform ring of mass m, radius r at a distance x from point. Here intensity is equal to gmx by r square plus x square 3 by 2. Potential v is equal to minus gm by under root r square plus x square. These are intensity graph. Okay, it is very important. This is a potential graph. In electrostatic intensity and potential on the axis of uniform ring of charge m, radius r, charge is q, radius r, at a distance x. Intensity electric field is equal kxq by r square plus x square all to the power of 3 by 2, and potential v is equal to minus kq by under root r square plus x square. Here both are similar formulas. This is right. M replaced with q, distance x, r square plus x square 3 by 2. V is equal to minus kq by under root r square plus x square. Okay.